Well, it's about 10 in the morning on Tuesday. Or is it Wednesday? Work has me fucked up. I can't remember what day it is sometimes. I think Sin's gonna be pretty happy with shit right now. Uh, Yesterday we had a storm warning. It came through, stuff sticks. Uh, the roads weren't all that fucked up. But I think this might make her a very, very happy ferret. Because it's coming down pretty good. This is almost Maine snow. Seriously. We got about 2 inches yesterday. Uh, yeah, look at all that shit. I think Zin's gonna be really happy when she wakes up. Hopefully this keeps coming down until she wakes up.